Hi everybody, we're in Greeley, Colorado. This is a before. A lot of people wonder about, what all do you guys do when you handle an estate? So this is one. This gentleman passed away several years ago. It's been sitting here. The family, somebody's been in here and decided to start organizing it, and then they gave up. So I just thought we'd do a quick walkthrough. Show you a before. This is actually a pretty clean one. This is a split level home. We're going to go up, 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 up. One of his offices. We end up going through every little thing. The family is looking for a few things. And so there's a lot of paper that we're going to go through for them. Decide what's trash and what's not. And then we're going to sell everything in this house. And the house will be a blank canvas. Pretty nice little house over here in central Greeley. Our process is everything from getting rid of the pile of newspapers. You can see it's one of these nice winter days here when we are starting this. Nice little kitchen. Maybe we'll go out in the garage. The garage is pretty full. We end up touching every single thing. We kind of have a clean corner rule. We're going to start with a clean corner here somewhere. Go through this entire house, sort everything out. There'll be a few things that some relatives want. But many of you watching this video, I'm sure, will, by the time this auction rolls around, will buy something and you'll be over here and see it. And we appreciate your business. There's a lot of good stereo equipment here. Go down to the lower level. Quite a bit of stuff here. This guy was a university professor. And the family's looking for some stuff, so we're going to end up going through every little thing. A lot of this paper's trash, but there's a lot of quality stuff here. Here's another room. Nice antique desk. More paper, of course. There's a nice Electrolux vacuum. This is a quad level home. Go down to the basement. Has a fireplace. This is actually one of the cleaner ones we do, but still, it's a lot of organization. And by the time we get done with this, this will be 1,000 lots or so, probably, to liquidate this estate. There's a vintage Schwinn Airdyne. Like I said, there's some more good stereo equipment. And there's even a pool table. So, hey, thanks for watching this video of what we do. A little before. We'll try to follow up with some during. And always find fun auctions at whitleyauction.com. Online auctions, bid from anywhere. Go to whitleyauction.com. Thank you.